Good day, I'm John Rapino, a meat cutter and owner from Tagum City, Philippines. Today, I will show you how to disassemble and assemble the meat grinder machine and identify each part. So, this is the meat grinder machine, the AC power cord, the grinder switch, the grinder motor, and the grinder tray. This is the grinder ring. And this is the grinder plate. Grinder knife and the grinder over. And the last one is the grinder head. That's all, thank you.